Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you not one but 3 different ways to do FOXY eyeliner on hooded eyes. First things first, how do you recognize hooded eyes? All you have to do is look straight in the mirror, and if you can't see much of your lid space because it's hiding under some extra skin or the hood, then you have hooded eyes. With hooded eyes, if you try to do your winged liner like we would normally do, it gets messed up because of the fold that is caused by the hood. But there are ways to work around it, and that's what I'll be showing you today. And we will extend the eye to give that foxy eye look. So if you're ready, let's begin. Let's start with the inner wing that will be common for all the 3 styles that I'll be showing you today. I'm going to be using the Maybelline gel liner in black. This is smudge proof and I absolutely love it. And the brush that I'm using is the Carity E21, which I've linked in the description box below. This is my favorite eyeliner brush. The easiest way to do the inner wing is to extend your upper lash line in the same direction. And when you're happy with the length, you can pull as much as you want or as little as you want. And when you're happy with that length, just join it with your lower lash line. Now, because the fold is the one that causes the disruption with the wing, we will completely avoid the fold. So in my first method, I will do my favorite style of reverse wing using a Q-tip. For this, I'm taking a small piece of sticky tape and I'm going to stick it as an extension of my lower lash line facing upwards. And then I'm going to be pretty much using the Q-tip as a brush. I'm going to dip it in some black eyeshadow, place it at the very outer corner of my lower lash line and push the eyeshadow outwards. I don't have to be extra careful or neat here because the sticky tape acts as a stencil and takes care of that for me. All I have to do is push the eyeshadow outwards and join it with my lower lash line. Let's go ahead and take off the sticky tape and reveal the wing. As you can see, it looks really neat and it also gives that nice smoky effect. All I'm going to do now is with the residue that's left over on the Q-tip, I'm going to use it to join the wing to my upper lash line in the very outer corner. Let's finish up with some mascara and lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit Cosmetics. For lashes, I'm going to be using Baddie from Colourpop. I'm going to cut it into half and I'm only going to use the inner half of the false lash in the outer half of my natural lash line. And that gives that extended cat eye look, which is precisely what we're looking for in a foxy eye. And that's your method number 1. It is so simple and gets done so quick. In the second method, we'll be doing quite the opposite of what we did in method 1, but we'll be using 2 different shades to create a soft ombre, which is forgiving on the fold. I'm going to keep the inner wing and I'm going to stick the sticky tape as an extension of my lower lash line, now facing downwards. I'm going to take some brown eyeshadow with the small blending brush from Colourpop, and from the very outer corner of my eye, I'm going to start lightly pushing the color inwards. Again, I don't have to be extra neat because the tape is going to take care of all that for me. I'm very softly pushing the color inwards to get that beautiful ombre effect. Next, I'm taking another small blending brush again from Colourpop, dipping it in black eyeshadow. And this time I'm going to keep it at the very outer edge and I'm not going to drag it as much as I did with the brown eyeshadow. Let's go ahead and remove the tape to reveal the wing. As you can see, the wing looks beautiful and sharp and also smoked out, and it's very forgiving because it's an ombre. And again, I'm going to finish up with some mascara and lashes like I did in the first method. In method number 3, we will be doing the C-wing, which is completely different from what we did in method 1 and 2. This time we'll be using an eyeliner, and the one that I'll be using is the eyeliner pen from Folklore. Again, we'll keep the inner wing, and for the outer wing, I'm going to look straight in the mirror and draw out a wing going over the fold. The fold creates a gap, so all I'm going to do now is look down and join that gap and fill in the wing. How easy is that? Now, even if you look straight, if you have hooded eyes, you can see a beautiful wing in the outer corner because you've gone over the fold. All I'm going to do now is finish up with some mascara and lashes like I did in the other two methods. That's pretty much it, you guys. Simple ways to do foxy wing liners on hooded eyes. How easy were those? Let me know in the comment section below if you want to watch more videos like these, and let me also know which one was your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It only helps my channel grow. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. For your convenience, I've listed everything that I've used in this tutorial in the description box right below this video, and you'll also find my socials there. So if you follow me there, we can chat a little bit more. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.